What is Azure Monitor? Azure Monitor is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows users to monitor and gain insights into the performance and health of their applications, infrastructure, and networks. It provides a centralized platform for monitoring and analyzing telemetry data from various sources, including Azure resources, third-party applications, and on-premises environments. Azure Monitor enables users to create custom dashboards, set up alerts, and perform analysis to optimize their applications and infrastructure for better performance, availability, and security. What is Azure Site Recovery? Azure Site Recovery is a disaster recovery solution offered by Microsoft Azure that helps organizations to replicate and recover virtual machines and physical servers to a secondary location in case of an outage or disaster. It provides a reliable and cost-effective way to protect critical applications and data by automating the replication and failover processes and enabling organizations to resume operations quickly in the event of a disruption. What is Azure Backup? Azure Backup is a cloud-based backup solution provided by Microsoft Azure, which allows users to backup and restore data and applications in the Azure cloud. It provides a reliable and secure way to protect critical data and workloads, including virtual machines, files, folders, and application-specific data. Azure Backup offers features such as automatic backup scheduling, retention policies, encryption, and monitoring to ensure data protection and compliance with industry standards. What is Azure ExpressRoute? Azure ExpressRoute is a dedicated private connection between an organization's on-premises infrastructure and Azure data centers, bypassing the public internet. It provides a more secure and reliable connection with lower latency and higher bandwidth compared to traditional internet connections. What is Azure Firewall? Azure Firewall is a cloud-based network security service offered by Microsoft Azure, designed to protect Azure Virtual Network resources. It acts as a barrier between the Internet and the virtual network, allowing administrators to create, enforce, and log application and network connectivity policies. Azure Firewall provides features such as network traffic filtering, network address translation, NAT, and application rules. What is Azure Load Balancer? Azure Load Balancer is a service provided by Microsoft Azure that distributes incoming network traffic across multiple virtual machines to improve their availability and scalability. It can balance traffic at the network and transport layers and supports various protocols such as TCP, UDP, and HTTP/HTTPS. It also offers features such as health probes, session persistence, and inbound NAT rules to improve the performance and security of applications hosted on Azure. What is Azure Traffic Manager? Azure Traffic Manager is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows users to manage the distribution of incoming traffic to their applications deployed in multiple Azure regions or on-premises data centers. It uses DNS to direct client requests to the most appropriate endpoint based on defined traffic routing methods such as geographic location, round robin, or performance. What is Azure Application Gateway? Azure Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer and application delivery controller (ADC) service in the Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. It is designed to manage and optimize web traffic to web applications and services by providing features such as SSL termination, cookie-based session affinity, URL routing, and application layer firewall capabilities. What is Azure Event Grid? Azure Event Grid is a fully managed event routing service in Microsoft Azure that enables developers to easily build event-driven applications. It provides a simple and scalable way to route events between various Azure services and other third-party services without the need for complex integration code. With Event Grid, developers can subscribe to events of interest, such as blob storage events, and trigger actions in real time, such as updating a database or sending a notification. What is Azure Event Hubs? Azure Event Hubs is a fully managed, highly scalable data streaming service provided by Microsoft Azure, designed to collect and process large volumes of events and telemetry data in real time from various sources such as devices, applications, and services. It allows you to ingest, process, and store millions of events per second, and stream them to multiple consumers or applications for real-time processing and analysis. What is Azure Service Bus? Azure Service Bus is a cloud-based messaging service provided by Microsoft Azure that enables asynchronous communication between various applications and services. It provides a reliable and secure platform for decoupling different components of a distributed system, allowing them to communicate with each other using various messaging patterns such as publish/subscribe, request/response, and message queuing. Azure Service Bus can be used for scenarios such as microservices communication, event-driven architectures, and hybrid cloud integration. What is Azure Notification Hubs? Azure Notification Hubs is a cloud-based mobile notification service provided by Microsoft Azure, designed to send push notifications to mobile devices, web browsers, and other connected devices. It allows developers to easily send personalized, targeted push notifications to users on different platforms such as iOS, Android, Windows, and others, while also providing features such as message tagging, template support, and analytics. What is Azure Logic Apps? Azure Logic Apps is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that allows users to create and run automated workflows and integrate various applications and services without requiring any coding knowledge. It provides a visual designer that allows users to create workflows by connecting various pre-built connectors and actions. These workflows can be triggered by events, schedules, or manually, and can be used for a variety of scenarios such as data processing, file synchronization, and application integration. What is Azure API Management? Azure API Management is a fully managed service offered by Microsoft Azure that enables organizations to securely publish, manage, monitor, and analyze APIs, application programming interfaces, at scale. It acts as a gateway for APIs, allowing developers to expose APIs to external partners or customers while maintaining control over access, usage, and policies. With Azure API Management, developers can easily create new APIs, test and debug them, and provide documentation to help others use them. What is Azure Active Directory B2B? Azure Active Directory, AD, B2B is a service provided by Microsoft that allows organizations to collaborate securely with external partners, such as vendors, customers, or contractors, by granting them access to their resources and applications. With Azure AD B2B, organizations can easily invite external users to their directory and manage their access to specific resources and applications, while maintaining control over their own data and security. This helps organizations streamline their collaboration processes and improve their productivity while ensuring the security of their information. What is Azure Active Directory B2C? Azure Active Directory B2C, Business to Consumer, is a cloud-based identity management service that enables organizations to manage and secure customer-facing applications and services. It provides features such as user authentication, registration, and self-service password reset for external users, such as customers, partners, and suppliers. Azure AD B2C allows organizations to customize and brand the user interface and user experience of their customer-facing applications while providing a secure and scalable authentication and authorization platform. What is Azure IoT Hub? Azure IoT Hub is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that enables secure and scalable communication between Internet of Things, IoT, devices and the cloud. It allows devices to send telemetry data, receive commands, and receive firmware updates over various protocols, and provides features such as device management, authentication, and data routing. What is Azure Stream Analytics? Azure Stream Analytics is a real-time data streaming and processing service offered by Microsoft Azure. It allows users to easily process and analyze high-volume, streaming data from various sources such as IoT devices, social media, and other data streams in real time. The service uses a SQL-like language to write queries and offers integration with other Azure services for data storage, visualization, and machine learning. What is Azure HD Insight? Azure HD Insight is a cloud-based big data processing service provided by Microsoft Azure. It allows users to process and analyze large volumes of data using popular open-source big data frameworks such as Hadoop, Spark, Hive, and others, without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. The service offers a scalable and cost-effective way to store, process, and analyze big data for a variety of use cases, including data warehousing, machine learning, and real-time analytics. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.